Today, we're going to build a Millennium Falcon using 7 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab our ever useful and handy Travis brick, and the big hole there on the bottom of the Travis brick is going to be the back of our Millennium Falcon. So we're going to put a 1x1 translucent plate there to just make it the engines of our Millennium Falcon. And on the front, we're going to get, right opposite that, we're going to get one of these tile clips, these 1x1 tile clips, and just put it right there so that it's facing this way. So it's like those two triangles that come out of the front of the Millennium Falcon. And then for the side, on the left side of our Millennium Falcon, we're going to get one of these 1x1 plates, round plates. You just put it on the side stud there. And then on the right side stud, we're going to get a slope piece. And you're going to have it slope so that the small end goes back towards the engine and it slopes forward. And that's going to be the cockpit of our Millennium Falcon. And now to create that round look of the Falcon, we're going to get a inverted radar dish, the 2x2 inverted radar dish, and just put one on the top, one on the bottom, and there we have a mini Millennium Falcon.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.